Students, today we are going to start chapter 3, V positive, C positive. So quotation is, a negative mind will never give you a positive life. Means if we always think of negative things, we will never success. We will never get success in our life. Okay. So B positive and C positive. Through this chapter we will know how negative thinking discourages humans. So if we always think in positive way, we will success in our life. So let's start this chapter. So students, please learn these spellings: self-esteem, optimism and positivism. Okay. So this chapter is about two boys named Sahil and Tapan. Say these two boys were admitted in the hospital. Sahil had lost his eyesight in an accident and Tapan was suffered with cancers. So they both were laying in the same hospitals, in the same ward by each other. Tapan was always sit up on his bed for an hour in the afternoon because his bed was near to the window. So other boys, Sahil, he always spent all his time on his bed because he did not want to meet anyone and he did not want to talk anyone because he lost his self-confidence. Slowly, Tapan and Sahil become friends. They begin to talk for many hours. But sometime Sahil cried all the time. So one day, every day he said, I will never get okay because he lost his self-confidence. So another day he complains, my parents don't love me anymore too, and my all friends have forgotten me, and it must be because I have become so useless now. Because I am useless, I become so useless now. So third day, another day he said, my friends left me alone. Say they do not visit me. I have no friends. So every day he complains. So then Tapan consoled him every time. Tapan जो है उसको संतावना देता, हमेशा कहता कि नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है, हर कोई तुमसे प्यार करता है, तुम ऐसा मत सोचो. यानी हर बार वो ये सोचता कि मेरा कोई नहीं है, मेरे कोई फ्रेंड्स नहीं है, मेरे मम्मी पापा मुझे देखने नहीं आते. एवरी टाइम ही थिंक्स इन नेगेटिव वे, यानी हमेशा वो नेगेटिव वे में सोचता. सो सम टाइम ही सेड, कभी कभी वो क्या कहता, सम टाइम ही सेड कि आई विल नेवर गेट बेटर, मैं कभी भी अच्छा नहीं होऊंगा, यानी मैं कभी अच्छा हो ही नहीं सकता. देन तपन जो है उसे कहता, देन तपन सेड यू विल गेट बेटर सून, तुम जल्दी अच्छे हो सकते हो. जस्ट डू एज द डॉक्टर अंकल से, टेक योर मेडिसिन्स एंड थिंक इन पॉजिटिव वे, यानी जैसा डॉक्टर अंकल कहते हैं वैसा करो, अपनी दवाई खाओ और अच्छी बातें सोचो. सो थिंक इन पॉजिटिव वे. सो नेक्स्ट डे ही सेड योर पेरेंट्स आर बिजी. ही सेड मीन्स तपन सेड, तपन जो है उसे बताता कि तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स, तुम ऐसा भी तो सोच सकते हो कि तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स बिजी होंगे. सो योर पेरेंट्स आर बिजी, दे गो टू ऑफिस, ऑफ कोर्स दे लव यू, वे तुम्हें प्यार करते हैं. So and when Sahil complained about not having friends, then Tapan said, am I not your friend? Tapan saw that Sahil was losing his self-confidence day by day. यानी तपन ने देखा कि अब तो उसका कॉन्फिडेंस दिन पर दिन गिरता जा रहा है, उसका कॉन्फिडेंस जो है उसने बिल्कुल अपना खो दिया है. So he did not want to take medicines and he did not want to meet anyone and he only cry. He kept cry all the time.